Hello and welcome. My name is Greg Dawes and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. Today we're going to learn about updates to the Show Columns and Hide Columns features that were recently introduced in ProPricer version 9.3 build 105. If you look at most any grid in ProPricer, in this case I've got a proposal open in Task View, and focus your attention down to the Resource Hours Units Cost grid, and right-click in the grid, you'll see an option called Show Columns. Although this shortcut menu item is not new, it has been reconfigured. Hovering your cursor over the Show Columns menu option lists the available columns that can be displayed. At this point, you could choose to show all columns by selecting the option here, which will display every available column for this grid. Or you could choose to drill down further and display a group of columns, which is what we're going to do. To do this, move your cursor over to the resource column and another series of column types will be displayed. Again, move your mouse to the right, this time hover over resource fields, and you'll notice that there is a new option, All. And under that option, you'll see all of the available fields that make up, in this case, all resource fields. Now you could choose to individually select the column you would like to view, but you would have to do that for each resource field column that you want displayed. Alas, we're not going to select individual fields since we want to make all resource fields available on this proposal. To do this, we're going to select the All option. As you can see, we are now displaying all of the resource fields using a single mouse click. How simple was that? Hiding column works the same way. Right-click anywhere in the grid, then select Hide Columns, Resource, Resource Fields, All. As easy as that, we have hidden all resource fields in our grid. Likewise, we can use the same concept in the Tasks grid up top. Right-click in the grid, choose Hide Columns, Summary Fields, All. To bring back all summary fields, right-click, Show Columns, Summary Fields. So, what is happening behind the scenes here? Well, you may already be familiar with this option, but if you right-click and choose Select Columns, a window with a tree will appear showing which columns are displayed and which are not. This tree, which has recently been redesigned, now reflects the Show Columns and Hide Columns features on the shortcut menu. Choosing the All option is the same as choosing the top level of the tree. So if I click Resource Fields here, you'll see all resource fields disappear from the grid. Clicking the button again brings them all back. If your company uses a lot of resource fields or summary fields, some company proposals contain 20 to 30 such fields, then electing to show or hide each one can be quite tedious. However, with this new feature, this process has been greatly simplified, allowing you to quickly make the changes you need and in turn, help you to get your work done more efficiently. If you thought this was an awesome video, share it with a colleague. If you or anyone on your team has any questions about ProPricer, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, I encourage you to post them in the community forum on the ProPricer support portal, or you can email to us directly. Again, my name is Greg Dawes, and as always, thanks for watching.